The Ghost at Midnight.
Oh, what's wrong?
I saw a ghost!
Oh, don't be afraid, sweetie. Mommy's here. Oh? Where's your sister?
Oh, a ghost must have taken her!
A ghost?
Woof! Hi, I'm...
Sheriff Labrador, my daughter is missing. Please help me find her.
A ghost took her!
A ghost? Don't worry, we'll be right there.
Sheriff Labrador, my daughter was sleeping in this room, and suddenly she disappeared.
The ghost must have taken her!
Hey, kid, there's no such thing as a ghost.
But I saw it! It was white, and its eyes were bright and green! It was so scary!
Oh, Sheriff Labrador, please save my daughter!
Don't worry,
No.
there's no case that I can't solve. Let's search Sister Monkey's room first. This is a photo of Sister Monkey. There are only child's footprints on the windowsill. And there's no sign that the window was forced open. I don't think she was taken by anyone.
So there's no ghost.
Huh? It's coffee.
Coffee?
Run!
The ghost is coming! Who's there? They are fireflies.
There it is! Stop right there!
Ha! I'm gonna get you! Ah! Ribbit! It's a ghost!
Ghost! It's a ghost! It's a
Ghost! It's a ghost!
Ghost! It's a ghost!
Ghost! Sheriff Labrador, the ghost has just dropped this. A ribbon and a flashing headband. I know what it is.
No one can run away from me! Why are you helping the ghost?
It's not a ghost. It's Sister Monkey.
So it was Sister Monkey! Sweetie! Oh, children should be sleeping at home at night. Why are you out and scaring people like that?
I'm sorry. I couldn't fall asleep, so I came outside to play.
Sister Monkey, did you drink this?
Yes. I was thirsty, so I took it from the fridge and drank it. Oh,
Coffee is for grown-ups. Children can't sleep if they drink it.
oh, I see. I'll be careful of what I drink from now on.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, coffee is a drink that's only for grown-ups. Because if children drink coffee, they can't fall asleep at night. And it's not good for their health. Also, tea and drinks that contain alcohol are not for children either. And you shouldn't drink them. Please keep that in mind.